Now the trapdoor has been swinging and one team has already fallen through while another awaits. Now who will it be? That question will be answered on Sunday when Harbour takes on Malines United in the Ray and Neville Jamaica Premier League at the Constant Springfield.
The sound Harbour is hearing is the squeak of the trapdoor. It has been swinging for a week, but there is a fear that the Stars of the East could fall through, thus joining Spanish Town Police. The five-time champions are in real danger as they are 3 points behind Malines United, who they must beat on Sunday if they are to prolong their Premier League status. They're sitting at death's door as defeat will see them being relegated. But past results between the two don't give either team the edge. It
is going to be a very interesting game. We have played twice in season and we have managed to, on both occasions, draw both games. As I said before, it's going to be very interesting.
Malines have been having a golden run lately, but coach Jermaine Thomas knows it takes small margins for things to go wrong. Defeat for Malines will leave them looking over their shoulders as they will play Treasure Beach next, a team that's also in the mix.
From the last 8, we would have won 1-4, last 2, drew 6. We would have picked up 12 points from the last 4. We would have managed to also score a total of 16 goals and only concede probably 1 in the last 4. So it's a good run. But when you're managing group, when you're managing teams, small things can show you off. And we have been working to really keep the guys focused. And they have been, and tomorrow will be no different.
Treasure Beach, who are 4 points ahead of the relegation zone, will travel to Jarrett Park to play Montego United. A win will get the job done for them. Anything else could drag them into a dogfight, entering the final round of matches in midweek. At the other end of the table, there are still 2 spots to be filled in the top 6. 5th place Racing United had every chance of filling one of these spots, but just cannot put their hands on it yet. They will try again in a home game against Portmore United at Ferdinand Park. Title holders Cavalier currently hold the 6th and final spot. They will play away to Tivoli Gardens, who have lately made losing a habit. In other games, Arnett Gardens, the outside contender for a playoff place, will host Spanish Town Police at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Mount Pleasant FA will go in search of the point needed to secure an automatic semi-final place when they play away to Dunbar Holden. And Waterhouse are at home to Chapelton Maroons. All matches start at 3 p.m. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.